Another update here at Noble Mortgage. As you can see, I'm still in shorts because I don't have power at my house, and I'm sure a lot of you don't, so hopefully a lot of you will get that today. But we are still open. Our phones are finally being forwarded, so if you call our number, 713-680-8100, that is being forwarded to one of my employees' mobile numbers so we can handle it that way. Any emails you send, of course, we'll go through. If any questions in general, you can send those to Ask Darrell, that's Ask, D-A-R-E-L, at noblemortgage.com. And so in a crisis situation like this, I've been in business now for 21 years and been through several hurricanes and snow apocalypse, all that kind of thing. As a business owner, what I like to tell other business owners is the number one thing you need to learn to do as the leader of your company is stay calm and communicate. I would encourage a lot of communication within your team. I've been communicating with my team when that hurricane was in the Gulf still. Let's keep our lines of communication open. We have a group message that we use. So over communicate with your employees, and the same thing with your customers. And that's exactly why we're doing these videos, is to make sure our customers know that we are here, we are available, we are here to help. If you have a loan with us, if you've had damage, please reach out so we can start that process. Everybody stay cool.